Thank you for choosing SharkBite for your plumbing project. Today we're installing a copper sweat supply stop valve from SharkBite on a 1/2-inch copper stub out. To get started, you'll need to look at your application and determine if your stub out comes out of the wall or floor. If your stub out comes out of the wall, you'll need an angle stop valve. And if your stub out comes out of the floor, you'll need a straight stop valve. Like any plumbing project, your first step should be shutting off the water supply to the area you're working on. The safest way to do this is the main water shutoff to the structure. Then, continue to relieve pressure and drain the supply lines by opening a nearby faucet. Some applications require only one stop valve, while others require 2 stop valves. Be sure to get the appropriate quantity for your project before beginning. If necessary, disconnect any supply lines and remove old stop valves. Clean the copper stub out and inside of the stop valve with emery cloth or a wire brush. Next, coat the inside of the valve and stub out with flux. Push the valve onto the copper pipe and align with the fixture. Hold the tail of the solder spool near the joint. Using a torch, heat the joint until solder liquefies and feed solder fully around the edges of the valve. Once soldering is complete, wipe the connection with a damp cloth and cool the joint. Finish by installing your faucet or toilet connector from the stop valve to your fixture. Hand tighten the nut until snug. Then using a wrench, tighten 1/4 turn. Be careful not to over-tighten. Turn the stop valve to the open position, followed by the main water supply. Check to ensure there are no leaks or loose connections. Using SharkBite is fast, efficient, and reliable. SharkBite offers supply connections for faucets, toilets, refrigerators, dishwashers, ice makers, and humidifiers.